Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. Today's a little extra pixie dust. We're going to make Aulani Sunrise, which is obviously served at Aulani. So to start off, I've got my cocktail shaker with ice in it. To that, we're going to add pineapple juice, vodka. I'm excited for this because right now it's the wintertime and cold where I am, but this sounds like it's going to be a little bit tropical, and I could use a little bit tropical right now. Some grenadine syrup. If only I had some palm trees and white sand. And some sweet and sour mix. We're going to put our lid on. We're going to give this a really good shake. Get everything blended together. Have our lid off. Let's get it poured into our glass. It's a pretty color. Definitely looks tropical. It almost looks like a sunset sitting on a white sand beach with palm trees around you. Then we're going to put a piece of pineapple on here to garnish it. And there you have it, the Aulani Sunrise. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.